So today's wig review is this Auburn copperish colored wig sent to me by KlaiyiHair. I believe that's how you pronounce the company name. It's 24 inches, 13 by 4. All the specs will be linked down below in the description box. But this video is just a watch me install video. It's not a tutorial, so literally just watch me install and style this hair. So I am gonna just do my regular installation process, and then I will go in with the side part. And then at first I styled it with long curls in the video, but then I didn't like how the curls looked for the vibe I was going for, so off camera I just did some flat iron curls. If you want to see how I do my flat iron curls, I'll leave a link down below of a video showing how I do my flat iron curls. But yeah, I'll insert what the curls look like right after I did them, but the video at the end, the very end of this video, is how the curls looked after a night out. The hair held up pretty well. The curls did fall. That's usually what curls do. They fall throughout the day, throughout the night. It was a little foggy outside, so the hair was a little frizzy and the top did get a little bit oily just because I put a lot of the wax stick on there. So try not to put too much of the wax stick on top of your wig, because it can get oily throughout the day or throughout the night. But other than that, I really enjoyed this wig. Very beautiful. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys finish watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.